Alright, so welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know, I work as an airline pilot. Working as an airline pilot means that I have quite a few days off in a row, and on one of these random days I decided to browse through YouTube mindlessly to see if I could find some interesting things. Now I stumbled across this video and it absolutely blew me away. It was about a guy going paragliding all over the world. I decided right there and then to call up the nearest flight center to see if I could get a ride on a paraglider. Luckily they responded and I still had time to go. I immediately decided to grab my stuff, get in the car and go to meet up. Now upon arriving there I could see a few paragliders overhead. The weather wasn't the greatest, but it seemed like it was gonna be an okay day to go paragliding. So the rest of this video is gonna be about my first trip on a paraglider.
Take off, my friend, yeah. Tenerife is fine, yeah. Yeah! Oh, fantastic! Nice! Hey, sit down. All right. I'm going to see the fly. Yay!
This is nice.
Very good day.
Super nice.
Okay? Woo!
But now you see much more.
Yeah.
You feel like completely out. Yep. You wanna go to that?
I'm on the date, yeah. Okay. Stand up. Very good. Stop. That's it. Don't sit down. Ready? Yee! Don't sit down, okay?
I'm not gonna sit down, don't worry.
Okay, stand up. Very good. Come on, stand up.
Nice.
Okay.
Nice.
Yes, my friend! Fantastic fly!